How to add TOTP in Bitwarden. TOTP stands for time-based one-time passcodes. So that's what an authenticator app is all about. To add a certain entry or TOTP in Bitwarden, what we do is we launch the Bitwarden application. Then right under My Vault, you can tap on New Login or tap the plus icon from here, then tap on Login. You can enter the name of the account that you're trying to add followed by login credentials, but this is actually not really compulsory. What's important is here you can see authenticator keys. So given that your merchant has given you the authenticator key or a QR code, and to scan the QR code, tap on setup authenticator key option here and simply scan that particular QR code here. And once you scan the QR code, you will be able to go ahead and then enable that setting and add that TOTP or entry within your My Vault on Bitwarden. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.